Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss class 10th mathematics chapter number 14 exercise 14.3 question number 2nd. In question number 2nd, question says if the median of the distribution given below is 28.5. Here question gave, I write only solution. Question given as median. Okay, question says if the median of the distribution given below is 28.5. 28.5. This is question already given to us. Okay. Find the value of xy. We will find that x and y. Okay. Now we will take question give us class interval. Okay. Class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, that's all, 50 to 60, okay. And here they give us frequency. They give us frequency, how many times it's come. So frequency Fi, they give 0 to 10, 5, 10 to 20, don't know, so x, 20 to 30, that means 20, 30 to 40, 15, 40 to 50, 5, and this is our 5. And total also they give. Summation Fi is equal 60. Fi is equal 60. That means 60 is definitely, total number is 60, but they didn't give the value of x and y. The value of x and y. So now we will find the value of x and y. Okay. So it is also very easy. You already solved like that question in exercise 14.1. I think you have to do no problem, na? But now you see CF. CF is cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency, first 5 it remains same. It comes 5 plus x, then 5 plus x plus 20, then 5 plus x plus 20 plus 15. Here comes 5 plus x plus 20 plus 15 plus 5. And here come 5 plus x plus 20 plus 15 plus 5 plus this one. So this is number only we add. In this row we add x. In both number we add only 20. In all 4 number we add here 15. Till up to here we add only here y. And here we add y. Or in the second order, normally we write, you see, this is equal 5. This is 5 plus x because we don't know the value of x. And here you see 25 plus x. Okay. 25 plus 15th, it will come 25 plus 15th, that means 40. That means 40. So here we write 40 plus x. And here we don't know the value of y. Here we write 40 plus x plus y. and here you see 40 plus 5, that means 45 plus x plus 5. Now you see the total number is 60. The total number is 60. So if we get sense, so it will come between 15th 1 to 15th number, and addition of x plus y, it will come only 15. See, simply we write 5 plus x, 5 and 25, it will become 25 plus x, 25 plus 15, it will become 40 plus x. Here we don't know the value of y, so here also we write y, and here you see 45 plus x plus y. See, total number is 16. Already one number came 45. It is our 45. So it means our x and y between 1 to 15th, or its sum is 15th. So it's your common sense. Okay, before start doing answer, we use this line. Now you see our median says median is equal L into n by 2 minus CF divided by F, sorry here plus, and into H. I think formula is this. Okay. So you see in this formula L by 2 minus CF multiply H. You know the value of M. M is R 28.5. Median is equal 28.5. So here also we write 28.5. Now you see it is R 60. It is R 60. 60, that means question given n is equal 60. That means n by 2 is equal 60 by 2. That means 30. That means 30. So it is very clear. It is our 30. Now you see 30 will come before 40. Before 40. Okay. So that means this is okay. 40 will come, that means we take this interval. We see and we notice in this interval. Because 40 come here, that means 30 इससे पहले ही आएगा. So it will come here only. So it is our F. It is our F. We take frequency F is equal 20 and our lower limit will come 20. Okay. Now you see our CF. CF, that means preceding value. So we take this as a CF. As a CF. Cumulative frequency. So now we get the value of n is equal 30. L. L, that means lower limit. It is called L. So L will come 20 and F also 20. CF is 5 plus X. All these values we put in our formula and we will get our answer. We will get our answer. So now you see, we put our value. L is equal 20. This is our 30. CF, that means F plus X, 5 plus X, and it comes 20. And difference between all number is 10. So here you see 10. So now you see 28.5. If we remove this point, we put 10 is equal 20 plus, here you see 30. Okay, 30 and minus 5 plus minus minus x. Here you see this minus, we multiply this, it will become 5, minus 5, and this also become minus 5. So it will become like that. So minus x divided by 20 multiply 100. Sorry, 10. So now you see 285 divided by 10 is equal 20 plus 25 minus x divided by 20 and 100. So it will cancel. So 285 divided by 10, we take LCM, so it will come 40 plus 25 minus x divided by 2. So if we multiply 5 to the 10, 8 to the 16, 17, 2 to the 4, 5 divided by 100, divided by 10 is equal 40 minus 25 minus 8. So 0, 0 cancel, and it will come only. So because of this plus, we add together and we get 65 plus minus x. 65 minus x. It will come here. So x is equal 65 minus 57. Or if you have any doubt, you see here. 57 minus 65 is equal minus x. So it will become 15 minus 7, that means 8. Minus 8 is equal minus x. So this is x is equal 8. X is equal 8. Because of only this plus, I do one mistake. Okay, here plus, so here also plus. So it will come together plus and it will become 65. So 8 is your answer. So now you see our question is 45. You see, question says 45 plus x plus y. Total is 60 member. So it will become 45 plus. The value of x is 8. So y is equal 60. So 45 plus 8, it will become 53 plus y is equal 60. That means y is equal 60 minus 53. 60 minus 53. So y is equal 7. So our answer is the value of x is equal 8 and y is equal 7. Okay, and 8 plus 7, it will become 15. So like that you will solve all question answer, and if you have any doubt, so you simply you see first the value of n. जब n आ जाएगा आपके पास तो आप निकालो n/2. n/2 आप फाइंड कर लेते हो तो आप ये देखो कि n/2 से नंबर कहाँ पर आएगा, किससे ज्यादा नहीं होगा, तो वो आपकी फ्रीक्वेंसी हो जाएगी. तो हम लेंगे f, उसके ऊपर वाली वैल्यू हो जाएगी CF, और L and H. L that means frequency lower limit, so we will take that number also. So if you have any doubt, please ask me. Thank you. Have a nice day. So today we complete our exercise 14.3. Now tomorrow I will start chapter number 15.